later on. And to Miss Beth Bello, please receive your Bello daw. Beth Bello. Or Bello. Because I have a classmate before. That's what I used to have. Bello kasi siya. And it's just the same name as the spelling. Kaya minsan, nagkakamali sa pag-pronounce. Miss Beth Bello, thank you very much. From the office
Tama
of
na,
the
Graspa.
OPC.
Pumunta ka na dito.
O, diba? Sound Space, familiar ba kayo sa nag-receive? Yes, she is organizing the Face Sounds familiar. Miss Beth Bello.
Tama,
O, diba? Practice makes perfect. Thank you, Miss Bello, for your presence.